Hello, food lovers! Welcome to Sepi Food. Today we're taking a delicious trip to Japan to make one of its most popular dishes, Beef Teriyaki. Tender, juicy beef coated in a rich, glossy teriyaki sauce. It's a flavor you're going to love. So stay with me until the end, and let's make this amazing Japanese classic together. To get started, slice the beef into thin, even pieces. This helps the meat cook quickly and allows the teriyaki sauce to coat and flavor every slice perfectly. Now, heat a pan over high heat and add a little oil. Place the beef slices in the hot pan and sear them until they are nicely browned and change color. As the beef cooks, season it with freshly ground black pepper to enhance its flavor and aroma. Now it's time for the carrots. Slice them into thin matchsticks and add them to the pan. Stir-fry them with the beef for a few minutes until they're slightly tender while still keeping a bit of their crunch. Carrots not only add a beautiful pop of color and a touch of natural sweetness to the dish, but they're also rich in beta-carotene, fiber, and antioxidants, making your beef teriyaki even more nutritious. Now it's time for the mushrooms. For this dish, you'll want to use a generous amount of fresh mushrooms. Slice them evenly into thin pieces so they cook uniformly and blend perfectly with the beef and vegetables. Add them to the pan and stir-fry for a few minutes until all their excess moisture has evaporated and their rich, earthy aroma is released. Mushrooms not only bring a delicious umami flavor and tender texture to the dish, but they're also packed with B vitamins, antioxidants, and essential minerals, making your beef teriyaki even more nutritious. Just as we did with the carrots, now it's time for the zucchini. Cut the zucchini into thin, even matchsticks and add them to the pan. Stir-fry them with the beef and the rest of the vegetables for a few minutes until they're just tender while still keeping a slight crunch. With its mild flavor and delicate texture, zucchini adds wonderful balance to the dish. It's also a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, making your beef teriyaki even healthier and more nutritious. Now it's time for our beautiful, vibrant broccoli. Cut the broccoli into small, even florets and add them to the pan. Stir-fry it with the beef and the rest of the vegetables for a few minutes until it's just tender while still maintaining its bright green color and crisp texture. Broccoli adds a fresh flavor, a satisfying crunch, and a beautiful pop of color, making your beef teriyaki even more delicious and visually appealing. Now it's time to make the rich and flavorful teriyaki sauce, the star of this dish. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, a little water, cornstarch, minced garlic, freshly grated ginger, sugar, and honey. Whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Once added to the pan, this glossy sauce will coat every piece of beef and vegetable, creating the perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors that makes beef teriyaki so irresistible. Now reduce the heat to low and let everything simmer gently for about an hour, allowing the beef to become perfectly tender and the sauce to infuse all the ingredients with its rich flavor. And just like that, our beef teriyaki is ready to serve. Enjoy it with a bowl of steamed rice or some fresh bread for a complete and satisfying meal. Packed with high-quality protein and plenty of fresh vegetables, this dish is a wholesome, well-balanced option that's perfect for anyone looking for a healthy and nutritious meal. Enjoy every bite. To watch and learn delicious recipes from different countries, make sure to subscribe to Sepi Food and check out our other videos as well. I hope you enjoyed this delicious Japanese beef teriyaki recipe. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey, and I hope you try making this amazing dish at home. See you in the next recipe.